Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade meatballs. This is one of my favorite recipes, so I hope you enjoy it. The first thing I have here is 6 pounds of ground beef. And then I have 2 cups of breadcrumbs. So you're going to go ahead and put the 2 cups of breadcrumbs in. Now I did use gluten-free breadcrumbs. You don't have to, just if you want to, you can. And I have about 1/4 of a cup of olive oil that I'm going to put in. And since my family is allergic to eggs, I did replace 2 eggs with flaxseed eggs. But you can just put regular eggs in yours if you want. And then we're going to put about 1/2 tablespoon to a tablespoon of salt. We're going to put 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. And then we're going to put some dried parsley in. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of parsley. And then I have some onion powder. I'm going to put about a tablespoon, actually it's about 1.5 tablespoons of onion powder. And then I'm going to put equal parts of garlic powder, so I'm going to put 1.5 tablespoons of garlic powder. Then I'm going to put 1/2 tablespoon of fresh oregano, or dried oregano. Now this is a very easy, simple thing to do. I do make a bunch at once because I like to make the meatballs. I flash freeze them into the freezer, and then I put them in zip top bags that are freezer proof. And then it's a very easy meal. I just take out as many meatballs as I need during the week, and I do all kinds of different recipes with them. So then all you need to do is just mix it all together and just make sure all the ingredients get incorporated evenly into your beef mixture. Okay, once your mixture is all mixed, you're going to form your meat mixture into little balls. And I have some parchment paper that I have put on a baking sheet because I am going to put this in the freezer and let them freeze. This is my family's favorite meatball recipe, so I'm excited that I get to share it with you, and I hope you and your family enjoy it. Have a wonderful day.